In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting for a priority column in a to-do list in Excel. To get started, open your Excel file. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is make sure your table is set up. In this example, the table is very simple with column headers for task, priority, and status. The cells underneath those headers are already filled in, which makes it easier to demonstrate how the formatting works. If your own list is already prepared, you can follow along right away. Next, focus on the values under your priority column, because that's the part we want Excel to format automatically. Highlight the cells in that column where your priority labels appear. After selecting those cells, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel, then click Conditional Formatting. From there, choose New Rule. This will open a pop-up window where you can tell Excel exactly what to look for. In the rule options, select Format Only Cells that contain. Then, in the rule description area, set the first drop-down to cell value and the second drop-down to equal to. In the field provided, type high. This tells Excel to look for any cell in the selected range that contains the word high. Now click Format. Another window will appear. Go to the Fill tab and choose a red color, then click OK. After that, click OK again to finish creating the rule. As soon as you do this, any task marked high in the priority column will automatically appear with a red fill color. This is a great visual cue because it helps urgent items stand out immediately. Once that rule is in place, repeat the same process for the other priority levels. Create one rule for low and assign it a different color, such as green. Then create another rule for medium and choose a color like yellow. Using different colors for each priority level makes your to-do list much easier to scan at a glance, especially when you're working with a longer list of tasks. The useful thing about this setup is that Excel handles the updates for you. It detects the text in the cells, applies the colors based on the rules you created, and updates instantly whenever the values change. So if you switch a task from medium to high, the color will change automatically without any extra work. And that's it. You now have a simple, effective way to visually organize priorities in your Excel to-do list using conditional formatting.